All right, today we're going to go over the C major 1 and G5/7 chords. You are going to need pages 48 through 52 in your workbook. And you're also going to need your laminated home piano or your home keyboard piano to try these fingerings out. All right, so let's start with our 1 chord. We've kind of started on this week already. And for that, you're going to have 5, 3, 1 for the left hand, and 1, 3, 5 for the right hand. So just really quick to show you what that looks like on the piano. Find your C position to the bottom of those 2 black keys. And with your left hand, it'll be pinky, third finger, and first finger. And you're going to play all 3 at the same time. Okay, with your right hand, thumb, third finger, and pinky. And that's the 1 chord. So on your worksheet here, you have trying it out in the left hand, you have trying it out on the right hand, and then you have playing it together. And let's just go over our rhythm really quick. We have half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try playing together just with your left hand. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like I said, go ahead and try the rest of the page, see how it goes. And next we're going to go on to page 49. Now in your piano book that you're using for lessons, they don't actually teach this till Unit 3, but we're going to go ahead and loop it in today with Unit 2. So we're going to learn how to do the B on the piano. So we've done C through G, and we're going to learn how to do B. And we're starting with this one on the right hand. So if I have my right hand set to play a B, it's very easy. All I'm going to do is move my thumb down. So if I went up, and then I'm going to go to B. So you're just moving your thumb down for that B, okay? They have an exercise here to practice getting that ready. And you're going to just play 4, 5 after the B. Okay, this is going to get us ready for our chord. So it's 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5. And notice on the 5s, they're half notes, so they get 2 beats. So let's try playing this exercise right here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay, so you can practice that a couple times. Make sure you've got that down. And then let's take a look down here. We already did our 1 chord, our C major chord. So remember that was 1, 3, and 5. And now we're looking at our G7 chord is we move our first finger down and then we play 4 and 5. So it's B, F, and G. So again, let's take a look at what that looks like on the piano. Here's our 1 chord. And then to do 5 chord, I move my thumb down and I'll play 4 and 5 along with it. And then back to 1, 5 chord, 1 chord. All right, so the progression at the bottom here just shows you how those go back and forth. So give that a shot. And when we're done with the video, go ahead and try filling these in, labeling them on page 50. It shouldn't take you too long to just fill in what the chords are to kind of help you out, and then try playing along with this, okay? That's on page 50. You're not going to turn in a picture of it, you're just practicing it, but I will in your lessons this next week have you try playing some of this for me, so you do want to go ahead and practice it. Okay, on page 51, we're doing the same thing. We're going to look at B in the left hand. And this is the same exercise, but remember we have 5 on the bottom now. So if I come down here and take a look at my left hand, here's my 1 chord, right? And all I'm doing is I'm trying to go from C down to B. So practice that. Try moving your pinky. This one is going to feel a little bit harder because your pinkies aren't as strong, right? And then in our exercise, same thing again. So that same pattern that we did for the right hand, let's try it with the left hand. 1, 2, here we go. 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so you can give that a try with your left hand. And then just like we did on the left hand, our 5 chord is B, F, and G. Let's take a look at that on the piano. Here's our 1 chord. We move the pinky down and play 2 and 1 at the top for 5 chord, back to 1 chord. All right, so the last thing on here is page 52. Just like on page 50, go ahead, fill these in, give this a try playing, and let me know if you have any questions. I will either have you play this one or your right hand one in your lesson this week, just to kind of see where we're at. So go ahead and give it a little bit of practice, and then you can move on to the other assignment. Hope you guys have a great weekend.